Hey, hi. How are you all? Welcome to my 30 days of Linux series. In this series, I will teach you Linux from basics to advanced in a simple way. So, did you know more than 70% of servers use Linux, but many people start learning Linux without understanding what it really is. So, in this video, let's understand Linux in a very easy way. So, first, what is Linux? Linux is not a full operating system. Linux is a kernel. A kernel is the main part of the system that talks to the hardware, like car engine. So operating system like Ubuntu, Red Hat, and CentOS are built on top of the Linux kernel only. Not only this, and Oracle Linux also it's built on top of the Linux kernel only. So now let's see some simple facts about Linux. More than 70% of servers in the world use Linux only. Like big companies, Google, Amazon, Facebook, so they'll use Linux servers. And Android phones also use the Linux kernel. Linux systems are very stable. Some servers runs for many years without restarting. Linux is also very secure because it has strong permissions and trusted software. So here we need to notice one thing. One big advantage of Linux is it does not need frequent restart. This is because we can restart services without restarting the full system. So we can load kernel module systems anytime, and in some systems, updates can happen without restart. So we'll see in practical in upcoming say days. Okay. So this is only for day one begins. So this is why Linux is used everywhere, like in cloud computing, in DevOps, in system administrations, and in cybersecurity. So that's all, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which Linux do you use, like Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, Debian, or Amazon Linux. This is day one. Next video is Linux architecture. So see you in day two. So guys, this is for just beginning. We have to learn more and more. So keep follow my channel. I'm going to take you the one more series like AWS and Azure multi-cloud technologies. So follow this channel and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind.